most likely our transmission is, well,
Just
worn out. So fifth gear is a no, unless we just hold it.
Even then, I mean, you can feel it. I'll let you have a go.
No, I remember what it felt like before.
Yeah, it's like as soon as you just touch the gas in the slightest, and it's ready to kick you off. But that's fine. Ooh.
Well, you're burning a little something, I think.
Yeah, probably just burning the clutch because I've not really run it much since we did that.
All right, hey, we're recording. We're a little impromptu episode right here, and well, we should go over some things. Dave cleaned and repaired the starter. What did you do? You took it apart?
Took it apart.
Took it apart.
Electrical
cleaner. Just kind of cleaned it up, reassembled it, and now the car is happily running. If you remember our last episode, it died on a test run. He also adjusted the clutch pedal.
Yep.
So there's a lot more.
Clutch, so it actually feels like a clutch.
Clutch, there's actual play in it now. It's not like just loose to the ground. And now we've noticed that one tire seems to stick out way more due to partially body work, we're hoping, mostly. It still looks like it sticks out a little bit.
Tire iron of doom.
So like the line here is not straight, and his tire was like peaking pretty hardcore. And Dave's been getting rubs.
Yeah.
If you look on the other side, this one's pretty well hidden. This one's still like out a bit though, like way more out than that other one.
Yeah. In a good bet.
Once I drag my bike up the hill like this.
So yeah, let's see. We did this. He did this. So the starter. What else did he do? Oh, he. I don't think we recorded this last time, but I had Dave. Dave was beating on the old lock. We have a new lock, so the car actually locks by the door now. You still have. What do we need? A clip?
Yeah, just to hold it in.
Hold the lock in. Dave's hammering away. Yeah, that looks a lot better. It looks a lot more normal.
Yeah. I don't know how much I'm actually gonna be able to get out of this.
Maybe bang it that way.
Well, this bit here, this low point needs to come out quite a lot if you look.
That's what I'm saying. What if you put it under there on it and then bang it?
I've tried that. That was what I was
I see.
doing. Yeah, it's just like putting the pressure on it this way. Bodywork for beginners. Yeah, buddy.
This is where we crash.
Yeah, where the wheel falls off. Okay, that was pretty nippy. That was actually really kind of cool. Let's annoy my neighbours some more. 3, 2, 1. That was 30 miles an hour. It sounds a lot. Quiet it down a bit.
Oh, was it doing it like all the time?
Can you hear the like?
I hear that. I feel like that's the brakes are grabbing though. You don't think that's?
No, I honestly
Like
think
it's
I think the wheel was just kind of had enough.
It didn't really quite do it that time.
No. 3, 2, 1.
What the fuck was that?
That That was us hitting a
A child?
manhole cover
Oh.
and losing traction on the wheel. What's that?
That's a tractor or some shit.
Oh, it was another vehicle, not us. Man, that thing sounds good. I like the upside down air filter.
I think we should straight pipe it.
Should we show them what it's made of?
Jeez. And here are the police.